Democracy and Development in India's Northeast, Pathways, Prospects and Challenges Habiramda, Numinini Chathagadaba National Seminar Ama, DM College of Arts, DM University the Hodokrai. Seminar Hodopaki Thoramadu DMU ki VC Professor W. Chan Babu, School of Social Sciences, DMU ki Dean Professor K. Indramani, Center for Northeast Studies and Policy Research, Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi ki Director Professor M. Amarjit Singh, Department of International Relations, Jadavpur University, Kolkata ki Professor Iman Kalyan Lahiri, DM College of Arts ki Principal Professor S. Lanchenba Maitei Susarukya ki, Thoramadu DM Arts, Political Science ki Head Professor L. Suraj Singh na Northeast asi yamna critical amadi complex over reason ama oibana mainstream da pusila ke hairabadi mafam asigi maramda khara hena khanghanba ki mathau tai. Seminar asida mapal gi miyoi singha aikoi gi scholars singi marakta wakhalon Fongdok Nanaba Amadi, Wakalonama Song Philgi Marakta Ladiba Gap Ado, Mansanaba Seminar Assistant Banihina Fongdoki.
Policy frame to Taudinga, a quick general common people, see the post consistent Amaka like Mamakaraba, Aquasi, Aquioina, Sakata Veda Makta, Aquimiam, see in Boltoba, which stakeholders involved over the car or Shukanba, Adu Kalanbagi, Wakalonama consistent to Lahan Bamdakar, but at the same time, Aquina mainstream Duga Quagalona, Samina Badakaro, Habadumasu, Aquida consistent Samaduna, Yana, Aquina, Sigi main objectives, a proper Aquina Asita or Ragamasina, Aquina policy change, Tony Habitinatab Adu, general in a society, see the academics and academic circles and Asagi general can also get accessible or Benina, Masida, Aquina, Maqueda Gian, and Tahan Bagi, Wakalondo Aduda, Aquina seminars at Tauzabani.